Hello, friends. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. I hope that you all had a terrific and fabulous day, and I hope that your week is going well. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. Thank you for stopping in. If you're returning, thank you so much. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. If you like this video, please hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And today I want to bring to you some Halloween earrings that are very simple and easy to do if you're not an epoxy user. So yesterday, the earrings that I brought to you were made using epoxy. So today I just wanted to bring some to you from some super inexpensive Dollar Tree items. These earrings are so easy. It honestly took me 10 minutes to make every pair of these. So I just wanted to go through and show you and give you some ideas. So I just have this hardware kit that I use. It's from Amazon, and I will link that for you guys. Now, I want to start with these cute little skeletons. I keep wanting to say skulls, but skeletons. So this is such a cute idea. I wish that I could say that this was my idea. It is not. I was in Hobby Lobby one day and I ran into these adorable young ladies that make earrings out of just different things. And they had actually made these, and it was such a great idea. I wish that I knew their name to give them credit. I do know that they do not have a YouTube channel because I did ask them. But I'm sure they probably have a Facebook or something like that. But this was such a cute idea. So these came from Dollar Tree, and they're on this garland, and you get 4 for $1. So basically you can make 2 sets of earrings. I'm actually going to use these guys in a different DIY. So the next set are these eyeballs. How cute are these? Super, super cute. Now, if you can't find the eyeballs, you can always use the ping pong balls and make eyes on them. However, Dollar Tree has the eyeballs in a nice large set. So you can make lots of pairs with them. And these are very simple. So these already actually have a hole in the top of them. So I was able to just stick the eye hook in. Now on this one, I did not glue it because I just wanted to show you this is pretty taut without gluing it. However, if you need to, you can just put some glue down on the end there and glue it in place to keep it from moving if you're concerned about it. But these are super cute, super easy. And then I just added a ring and the earring. So this next pair here are the pumpkins. Again, very cute. And they are, both sides have the pumpkin. So these are made from Dollar Tree felt stickers. So this is the pack that I used. And you can just take 2 pumpkins, they're stickers, you take off the back or whatever you decide to use, and then just fit them together. Very cute, very cute. Now, there are this one, there's like cats and bats. These bats are so cute. Look how adorable these would be. Super, super cute. And then they have these owls. And then this set is pumpkins, ghosts, bats, and then some other pumpkins. So lots of options with these. It was very simple. All I did was take my needle. This little tool here is also from Dollar Tree, but basically it's just a pin in plastic and just a needle and just poke it through, kind of wiggle it around to make a hole, and then I just put a little ring on it and the earring, and this is what I have. Really cute. And then this other pair here, these are also adorable, super cute. I think these might even be my favorite. So these have a little spider web and then Boo on them. Now this is Dollar Tree table scatter. So this is table scatter, and you could see you could make lots of earrings out of these if you wanted to. And then they even have cats. I would put it through the little eye hole there. And the witches. Now the witches, you would have to make a little hole for them. There's not necessarily one there, but they do have those as well. Very simple. Here are very simple. I just opened up the ring and then I put it through a hole in the web and then a hole in the boo. Very simple and super cute. Now, I would take a little bit of adhesive and a toothpick, and I like to put something on the edge of my ring here just to seal it, to keep my earring from sliding out so you don't lose your pieces. And when I'm doing it with epoxy, I like to put epoxy on there. But yeah, so super just fun idea. And I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was helpful. And I hope that, maybe you found something you'd like to make. I hope you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. Thank you so much. And again, please hit the like button and please hit subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.